ain't no love a man can find. You'll feel her in a room if you was blind. There ain't a grand thing. Hello everyone, and welcome back with another acoustic tutorial. Today we'll be covering Smaller Acts by Bryan. Now, he has released a song before on TikTok, but he just released a song on Friday, this past Friday. So hopefully you like to enjoy this song early. It was one of my favorites from the album, and so that's why I'm doing it first. Before we get into it, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and to comment a song that you want me to teach. Alright, first, there is no capo needed. This is going to be doing standard tuning, no capo. The chords that we will need are just a C, a G, an F, and an A minor. Just those 4 chords. Pretty simple song. Now, the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern for the verse and the chorus are a bit different. So I'll cover the strumming pattern for the chorus once we get to the chorus. But first with the verse. In the song, it's mostly just a down, 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 down. And every now and then he'll do a up, down, up, down. So that'll sound like this, sort of. Very, very, very simple. The chords used in the verse is mainly just the C chord throughout the entire verse, but then he'll go to the G at the end of each verse. So a playthrough of the verse would sound like this. She's got a needle leaving wanting more. She loves hard love and metaphors. Leave your shoes off at the door, 'cause dinner's waiting on you. So that was the verse. It's pretty simple. It's mostly just a down strum. Every now and then try to add some more strums to there. But it's mainly very, very simple. Now, the chorus. As I said, the chorus has a different strumming pattern. It has more of a typical strumming pattern that you'd expect. It is a down, down, up, down, up. The chords used in this chorus, in this order, are the F, the C, and then the G, and then the A minor. And then you just loop that for the entire chorus, and here's a playthrough of the chorus. There ain't no love a man can find. You'll feel her in a room if you was blind. There ain't a grand thing a boy can do. She'll only love you for you. And yeah, that's the song right there. Embellishments, there isn't really much embellishments that you can do there. The only embellishments that I could think of adding are hammering on with your middle finger during the C chords, the G chord, and the F chord. So just kind of doing it like those are really the only embellishments I could think of. Your typical embellishments. He doesn't really add much into the song, and that's why I like it personally. It's such a simple and loving personal song. And here's a playthrough of the verse and the chorus put together. She's got a needle leaving wanting more. She loves hard love and metaphors. Leave your shoes off at the door, 'cause dinner's waiting on you. Grand things don't impress her much. She's keen to smaller acts. She likes honey in her coffee and boys that use their backs. There ain't no love a boy can find. You'll feel her in a room if you was blind. There ain't a grand thing a man can do. She'll only love you for you. thank you so much for tuning into this song. It is a very simple song, so this video is shorter than the others, and it's not really much to it because there just isn't really much to collect. Please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. I release a video every single Monday. And yeah, thank you.